Could you tell us what brings you to Borodyanka specifically amid so many reports of Russian atrocities?
I think probably the same thing that's brought you here.
Right.
It's the reports that crimes within the court's jurisdiction, the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court, may have been committed. I sent a team of investigators here yesterday. We're working also, I'm being shown around by the prosecutors of Ukraine and the investigators here. So I want to have my own impression of some of the allegations here in Borodyanka. We went to other towns yesterday as well, and we'll keep on doing our job to make sure we get to the truth.
And how long is the process going to take?
The process will take as long as it needs, but we're trying to deploy focused investigations. We have forensic crime scene officers, we have investigators, analysts and lawyers, and we have to deal with some focus with some urgency so we can get to the truth. But as I said yesterday, there's allegations of war crimes, crimes against humanity and crimes within the jurisdiction of the court throughout of Ukraine, from Mariupol to of course where we're standing today. And we need to conduct investigation so we don't just rely upon rumour and speculation, but can make sure that we get to the truth, and whatever we receive we have to scrutinise it and check it's authentic, it's reliable, it's not fake and it's truthful. And we do that also by conducting our own investigations as well as subjecting whatever we receive to proper independent scrutiny.
And on the basis of what you've seen so far, are you in a position to make any conclusions?
I'm in the position to keep investigating. And as I said yesterday, we're here for a reason. We made determinations that there's reasonable grounds to believe that crimes within the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court have been committed. Ukraine filed 2 declarations in 2014 and 15 accepting the jurisdiction of the court. It's their territory, and so we are investigating crimes of this magnitude to see whether or not they've been committed, and if so, who's responsible. And then we will put proper cases, if necessary, before the judges, and they'll make determinations.
Could there be a tribunal eventually looking at these allegations if they're borne out to be very serious?
Well, we have one. It's called the International Criminal Court.
No, but in terms of specifically targeting Russia with this particular set of allegations?
I'm not targeting any country. I'm looking at crimes, or all parties to a conflict, whether Ukrainians, whether they're Russians, have responsibilities to comply with the laws and customs of war. They have an obligation to comply with their own statute obligations because Ukraine has accepted the jurisdiction, and we will look with an open mind, looking at the investigations, conducting investigations, and we will make determinations based upon evidence, and that's what's required by independent investigators, independent prosecutors, and let the dice fall where they may. I mean, we have to do our job, and at the end we will have hopefully a better picture of what took place and who, if anybody, is responsible.